Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you list of things you must invest before you start learning on how to become a tailor. This basic sewing tools is very essential to those who are interested and willing to learn. First on my list is a sewing machine, like this one. This is a Mitsubishi model DB120 or an ordinary sewing machine, which is basically cheaper than the high-speed sewing machine. Next on the list is measuring tools. Tape measure. It is intended to measure body measurements such as the length, the width, and the circumference. And it is also used in pattern drafting and measuring fabrics. Ruler is used as a guide to draw straight lines. A 12 inches long flat stick. L square, an aluminum metal with 24 inches by 14 inches in size. This is the main tool in drafting patterns. Hip curve is used to form hip line from waist down to knee for pants pattern, and it is used as a guide to form a body curve on blouses. Fringe curve, it is used to shape armhole and neck lines. Scissors, used to cut fabrics and paper patterns. Snip or nipper, used to cut and clean existing threads. Seam ripper, you can use this to open your incorrect stitches. And you can also make buttonholes through this thing. Needles, this is for machine needles and hand needles. Be sure that you have an extra machine needles in your hand. In case your needles broke, you can immediately change it. And have also a hand needle for hand sewing purposes. You also have to invest pins. It will help lock the fabrics for easy. And this is pin cushion. It is where you put the pins and hand needles while it is not in use. Thimbles. This will protect your finger of being hurt while doing hand sewing. Bobbins. I suggest that you have spare of these things for the variety of thread colors so that you can easily change color of threads that match your fabric. Next is marking tools. A pencil is for drafting patterns. Tailor's chalk, used to draw lines on fabrics, and it has variety of colors to choose from. Ball pen, used to list body measurement. Tracing wheel, it produces dotted lines when used with a tailor's carbon paper to transfer from pattern paper to the fabric. Threads, you must invest variety of colors to properly match the color of the fabric and the threads. Mechanical tools, you must also have a plier and a screwdriver. These mechanical tools can be used also in sewing. Plier, it is used when changing broken needles. Flat screwdriver, used to necessary adjustment to your sewing machine. Tiny flat screwdriver, used to adjust thread tension on your bobbin case. Last on my list is an iron and a water sprayer to make your sewing work smooth and neat. Spray it with water before ironing, but if you can invest a steam iron, it is best. Today we have just studied about the essential sewing tools. We will study more about sewing in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn more, Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned with your maestro. If you have concern and suggestion, just comment down below and let video answers you. Terima kasih.